Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 4 of our 30-day smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing beetroot and pineapple smoothie. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first ingredient we are using today is beetroot. Beetroot is rich in iron and helps to detoxify our body. And you do not want to use much, so I'm just using quarter of a beetroot, like 2 to 3 slices. And the next ingredient is mango, and I'm adding this just to add sweetness. The next ingredient is a pineapple, and this one is rich in vitamin C and helps to maintain weight and aids digestion. Next ingredient is ginger, and I'm using a very small quantity of it because it has very strong flavor, and it's really great if you are having cold and cough. Really good for winters. And lastly, to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water, and this one provides you hydration and it's rich in electrolytes. This one tastes so good, and trust me, you cannot even taste the beetroot. And if you are someone who is having problem with beetroot, trust me, you need to try this recipe because this doesn't taste like beetroot at all. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you're going to recreate this recipe. And if you do so, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know that. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye!